Cardboard packaging, easily recycled. No need to search for faded K-lines with a stop insertion ring. The stop also acts as a rubber collet seal to prevent dust buildup. Enhanced shank length for extended reach in jig work. Crafted from EN8 steel, ensuring durability and resilience for a stronger, tougher router cutter. Proudly British made. A high-grade microcarbide ground tip allows for superior plunging performance. Xylan coating minimises friction, prevents buildup and enhances chip flow.